Today, we're on a mission. What's the mission? We're trying to find the last pair Birkenstock Boston Clogs. The shoe of the season. You've probably taken notice that everyone is wearing them. Some are calling it the shoe of the winter. I've seen a lot of people in spring wearing it too, so I'm hopping on the bandwagon. I'm trying to at least. They're literally sold out everywhere when I tell you Birkenstock.com, Urban Outfitters, DSW, Journeys, Zappos. Every shoe place you can think of, even the little niche websites, wiped clean. But I'm hoping to get lucky and find them in the mall here in Portland, Maine. Trends take a little bit longer to get up here, but I really don't know. I have looked into getting a pair of just like lookalikes from Kohl's or JCPenney's or Amazon. Literally, they're all over Amazon, but even a lot of those are sold out. So I don't know what to do. I don't know. Also, they're a whopping $150. I'm not proud to admit that. I have like, how many pairs do I have? I have 2 pairs of Birkenstocks, okay? When I tell you I've had them for 7 years and they've held up wildly well. So it's an investment for sure. They're good quality. When I gotta have a pair of something and I'm hyper fixated on them, I'm willing to spend the money. Last year, it was the mini Uggs. And I wore the crap out of those. I'll wear them all winter long this year too. But I need the Boston Birk clogs. And hey, thought about buying them last year, but I went with the Uggs. So don't call me a trendsetter, but I really did think about buying them last year. Think about the holiday season's coming up. Christmas. I know this is gonna be an item that everyone is buying for Christmas. So we gotta get them ahead of the curve. Get them while they're hot. And I'm not just going for any pair, okay? I like the brown ones, but I really want the Boston soft footbed, suede leather, and latte cream. These look dreamy. Call me crazy. These are like one of those shoes that you're like, that's kind of ugly, just like Uggs. I would put them in the same category as Uggs. You're like, they're kind of ugly, but they're kind of cool. I am, however, concerned that if I get one little speck of dirt on them, that I'll never be able to get the dirt off. Will I obtain the most sought after shoe of the season? Stay tuned. First victim, Famous Footwear. I highly doubt they have these shoes. Highly doubt. So I'm sad to report, after going to 4 different shoe places, I did not come out with Birkenstocks. And then I bought 2 pairs of shoes at DSW. They're cool. They're my back to school shoes, even though I'm not a student anymore. I'm a student of life. So yeah, the journey continues on another day. Today is September 8th. We'll see how long this goes till I can actually get the ones I want. Okay, bye. Update, little update. This feels like a reality show confessional camera, but today is September 28th. After our journey started on September 8th, I continued to stalk the Birkenstock website. I stalked it, basically looked at it every day. I got so many targeted ads from Instagram that I like couldn't not look at the website, you know what I mean? So last night I was laying in bed. It was probably 12 o'clock. I got on the website. They had 5 pairs left of the Birkenstock clog that I wanted. Latte cream, my dream Birkenstock clog. So you bet your ass I hopped on that real quick and I ordered them quick, and it says processing. It is a dream come true. I'm so excited. I don't know how long it's gonna take or if I actually got the pair, one of the last 5 pairs. And it was so random because like I looked on the website the other day and that pair wasn't even on the website anymore, so I lost all hope. But for some reason, size 42 Birkenstocks came back in stock for one night only, and I hopped on that opportunity. So we'll see how long it takes me to actually get them. Till next time. Guys, the day is here. It's October 6th. I've been waiting so long for this. I am so excited for this. Should we open it? I started looking for Birkenstocks beginning of September 8th. Finally found a pair September 28th. Now it's October 6th. I'm just gonna say this literally took about a month. Here we go. Okay, how do I open this? Oh, I'm so pumped. So this is the latte cream color. They're suede. It's got the soft beds. I wear a size 42. That's like a size 11 in women's. Bigfoot alert. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. These goofy shoes are everything. Let's go to the mirror. I need to tighten them up. They're like a little bit loose. For future reference, I should maybe get the narrow ones, but I'm so happy. I'll be wearing these every single day. I'm never taking these off. Thanks for following my journey. Go buy yourself a pair of Boston Clogs. They're the shoe of the season. After a little adjusting, it's time to try them on with socks. What do they look like with socks, you may ask? They only get better. Although I'm gonna wear these with like absolutely every outfit, I think they're really gonna see their shining moment with jeans and or like loose baggy sweatpants, yoga pants. They're gonna just shine. Do you like them? Do you think they're cool? Oh yeah. Happy birthday to me. Sometimes you gotta treat yourself.